US oil or WTI. And in UK, the name is Brent crude. That means in the UK currency, the Brent crude is working. Okay, but in India, we trade only in the Brent crude. That means we have the tie-up with the country of the OPEC. That means we buy the oil from the UAE, from Iran, and all the things. And that means in India, when buy in the physical, I am saying when we buy, you will find out the price of crude oil in India. It can be differ sometimes, maybe 5 points, 60 points, and 10 points, 20 points. If the price of the dollar is 75 rupees and the price of the crude in US is 20 rupees, in India the price on the same time should be 1500 rupees, but it may be 1520, 30, or maybe 1470. Why? Because we are trading in the future, not in the cash. There are two things in the market. First one is spot, second one is future, third one is the option. In India there is no export of crude because we are not the manufacturer or producer of point margin. That means the price will be US dollar multiple by the US oil and plus 50 rupees. If there is a discount market has the high sellers and low buyers, that means it may be on the discount and the price can be less than 1500. Okay, if we want to trade in the India, the timing of the crude is 9 a.m. to the 11:30, and on the daytime saving in US the timing is changed accordingly. Okay, and now we will go to the two things. If in India we want to open the chart of crude, we can click here. Many of you have the account in the Zerodha or Upstocks. All the company providing charting, you can use their basic chartings. There is no need of high level charting. Okay, this is the crude my future. Same time I will tell you both the things that if you want to trade in the US according to US oil, and if you want to trade according to the Indian chart, uh, on both you will get good result, and most times it will be same. Just a minute. Okay, this is the US oil chart. That is CFD on WTI crude oil. In trading, this is the platform Trading View, and Trading View platform provide trading in mostly all for all of the exchange. In MCX, they have no tie-up. That means in Indian crude we cannot find in Trading View. But all the stocks like Bank Nifty, Nifty, and all the State Bank of India, ICICI, we can find. But MCX has no data tie-up with TradingView. That's why we cannot find Indian crude in TradingView. In our broker, we can find out. Okay. The second thing, the this is the name of the script. Okay, this is the time frames. Which time frame we should use in the intraday? In intraday, there are many strategy, many things you can use in the market. But basically, for intraday, there are only four charts that you can use in the intraday market. That is 5 minute, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and 30 minutes. More than 30-minute chart, if you are using, that means you are not doing intraday. It would be positional for 1 or 2 day or 3 day or 4 day. But if you want to trade for 1 week or 2 week, you can use 1 hour chart. Otherwise, if you are after 1 hour, there is no meaning of 2 hour or 3 hour. Ignore that. If you want to trade for the 15 days, 20 days, you can use 4 hour chart, and 1 day chart for the uh, 2 month to 3 month positional view. And if you want to use 1 week charts, that means 6 month view, and 1 month chart means more than 2 year view. Okay, and in all my strategy, I will tell you that on the particular strategy, what time frame you have to use. On this strategy, we will use the 5 minute charts. There are many type of candlesticks like candles, hello candles, Heikan. This is the normal candle. there are two types of candle, green candle and red candle, and every candle has a range like open, high, low, close. uh, all of you know that open, high, low, close where it is suitable. Okay, the but on in all my strategy I will use Heikanasi. Okay, the name of the first strategy is high low EMA strategy. Okay, this is the Indian crude chart, and I will set up the strategy. First one, you have to add moving average. Period should be 200. Field should be high. Type should be exponential. Color you can choose of your choice. The second thing, again we have to use moving average. Enter value of period is 200. Field should be low. Type should be exponential. Color you can choose of your choice, and candlestick pattern should be Heikanasi. Okay, this is the chart behalf on the high low strategy. What I have to add? I have to add two EMAs. That means exponential moving average. If you are using the trading view chart, that means there is an option of direct EMA. You can add EMA, exponential moving average. But if we talk about the Zerodha or stocks, we have the only moving average. That means in the setting we have to convert it in the exponential, and we are using only one thing, that is the 200 periods. One is low and one is high. The color of the high field is green, the low field is red. Okay, now how we will use, that means when market will go up, if we have a green candle, just a minute. Okay, when a green candle provide the closing above the high 200 EMA, that means if this candle, you can check
Hello,
this
hello,
candle,
hello, sir.
the time of the candle is 13:55. That means on 1:55 in India, this candle provide the closing above on the high EMA. That means we are getting the closing of this on this price. That means above on the green line. Okay, that means with the buffer of 1 point, maybe there is a high of this candle is 1210. Okay, it is providing closing above on the green EMA, and the high of the candle is 1210.67. That means on 1212 I will place a order for buy. On these two candles it will not execute, but on this candle it will execute. Okay, and on 1212 it will execute, and it is going in the upside. From 1212 to the high was the 1422. Okay, it is the near about, just a minute. I am getting buy side here, and I am taking a buffer of 1 point. The buy is executed here. The price is 1213. On the 1212 it will execute, and we are getting 200-point movement like this. Okay, again you can watch market is going down, and taking the support of the green EMA or high EMA, you can say, and the market is going here like this. From here it is 1213. 282 and the price is 1403. Okay, the main thing is that where I have to buy. When a green candle is provide closing above on the green line, that means high EMA. That means a candle is provide closing above on the red green line. That means after that I will set all the things. If the high of the candle is about here, maybe about here, maybe about here, that means I will take 1 point buffer and I will place a order for buy. After that execution, I will hold the position. What will be the SL? There are two type of SL. One is fixed SL and second is trailing SL. That means if I am buying here and market is going up, that means all the high EMA and low EMA will go up. That means red line is my SL. If a red candle is providing closing below this line, that means I can exit and I can take a position in the sell side. But if it is going up, I can hold. Otherwise, I can book 20, 30, 50, any points according to my portfolio. Okay. And where I have to sell, I have to sell when a red candle is provided closing below the red line. That means this candle is not provide closing on below the red line, but this candle is providing. Okay, you can check there are two candles, one on, there is a day difference. It is not a time difference, it is a day difference. That means date is changed. This candle is going down but not provide closing below the red line, or we can say low EMA. Okay, that means second line, it is provide closing below the red line. That means here with the buffer of 1 point, the low of this candle is this. That means on this candle my order will be placed, and after that this is the trailing SL, and I can hold with the positional or with the intraday. I can book profit any of time according to me. Okay. Okay, if you are doing intraday, there is a one question: if market open on the next day like this, on this point I have to sell or not? The question answer is that if you have amount in your account like 50,000 per lot or 1 lakh per lot, you can sell here also as well. Don't think this is the SL. According to the time and market movement, it will go down. Trailing SL will go down. That means this is not the exact trailing SL. After 1 hour, 2 hour, it will go down and you will get the low trailing SL. Okay. The second thing, if you have the low margin, maybe on the second candle market can go up, and from here market can go down. So what you should do, if you have the low margin, then you have to wait for what? It take the support of the red line in the downside. That means from here you can sell, and with this SL you can hold the position and or book the position anytime that profit you want. Okay, on the next day you can watch that the market is open here, but it not taken the support anytime. It is going down and down and down and down. The benefit of this strategy is this: you can find out what is the difference between two EMAs. Like on this level, the high of the 1325 and the low is the 1304. In the current scenario, very fluctuate market, you have only 20 to 25 point SL. That means if candle is going closed above the green line, or a red candle close below the red line, that means after the closing we will take the buffer of 1 point and we will take the position. Okay, and we can hold according to the our portfolio, or we can book profit 20 point, 50 point anytime. Okay, sometime it provide 200, 300, 1000 points in this strategy as well. Okay, this is the first strategy, high low EMA strategy. Same strategy you can use in the bank nifty as well. This is the bank nifty chart. You can use this strategy for bank nifty future. That means if you want to buy bank nifty future, where you will buy, that means we can check here. This is the candle providing closing above on the green line. Okay, this is the candle. I will take the buffer of 1 point on the everything. I will take only 1 point buffer. That means high should be crossed of this point. 1 point is enough to exact find the exact level. That means on this candle it will executed. After that, this is my SL. If market is going down and provide the closing below that, I will exit from the position. But if it is going up, I can take full benefit. Okay, it is the selling side. You can check if you are selling here. you will get this benefit, maybe 200, 500, 700 points. And if you are a option buyer or seller, you can buy a put here, you can buy a call here. And what is the SL? You know that if any red candle provide closing below the red line, I will exit the position. Okay, the setting is the 200 EMA for the high, 200 EMA for the low. It is very easy strategy, and it is completed. If you have any question about this strategy, ask me on the chat or on the voice as well. Okay, first tell your name and you can ask.
Hello. Hello.
Mm,
Yes, sir.
just a
I
minute,
mean,
I will check one to one. Sir is saying, sir please Hindi if possible. आपको जो है इस स्ट्रेटजी में दो ईएमए सेट करने हैं, एक्सपोनेंशियल मूविंग एवरेज, एक हाई एक लो। दोनों में जो प्राइस है वो 200 एंटर करना है, यानी कि हम 200 ईएमए पर वर्क कर रहे हैं। 5 मिनट का चार्ट की सेटिंग करनी है, और आपको जब भी कोई कैंडल क्लोज होती है ग्रीन लाइन के ऊपर, तो उसके 1 पॉइंट का बफर लेके बाय करना है और नीचे की तरफ सेल करना है अगर कोई रेड कैंडल बनती है लाल वाली रेखा के नीचे। ओके, फहद मलिक इज आस्किंग what is the target? Okay, target, there are two types of target, maybe three types of target. First one, take 20, 30, 50 points from the market and you can close the position. Second one, you can hold the position and trail the SL according to the chart, and hold the position. Maybe sometime you will get one SL or two SL of 20, 30 points, but sometime you will get maybe 200, 300, 400 points in your profit. Okay. The third one type of SL is like that. If you are buying a crude according to the signal, that means on 1400 you are buying a crude, and you are working in the two lots. Okay. And after some time the price is the 1430. That means 30 point you are getting profit. You can book in the half quantity. That means on 1430 you have exited with the one lot. That means you are getting 30 point profit in one lot. That means in second you can afford the 30 point loss, make the SL of 1370 and hold the position for the big target. uh, Mahendra Gorankar, sir, in case of bank nifty 1 point means exactly how much? In the bank nifty we have 20 points lot size. That means in crude we have the 100 points. Okay, in bank nifty, if you are buying bank nifty, on every point you will get 20 rupees. If you want 100 rupees, buy 5 lot. If you want 1000 rupees per point, you can change the quantity of lot size. Okay. Chandrakant Byte, sir, how you generate that call and big target, that confidence needed? Okay, Chandrakant is asking how you generate that call and big target, that confidence needed. Okay, Chandrakant, this few things will get, you will get after experience, not on the first day. You have to do work in the market. You have to apply multiple strategies. For one strategy uh, maybe a point for selling, and the for another strategy maybe this point is for buying. Okay, but you have to take the experience. After that you can generate the call. What is the market reverse? SL should be on closing or wick below EMA 200. What is the market reverse? SL should be on closing or wick. If any red candle is going in downside below the red line, we will close the buy position and we will start selling position. Okay, Fahad Malik. Okay, that means reversal in any side will be the SL. But if we are buying crude on the 1400 and market is going up and up and up, after some time, if red ray on the 1500, okay, then market is going down and we are getting closing below the 1500, then we can sell. It is a SL, trailing SL, but we are getting 100 point profit. Okay, Prakash, sir, SL should be candle closer now the week. After the close, after close one candle in below side or in upside in the reversal direction, you have to close your position. But you have to take your position after the buffer, 1 point buffer. If there is if the buffer is not executed, you can take again the position in the previous direction. Sir, can we use this strategy for USDI and R? Yes, you can use this strategy for any script in the world because it provides the minimum SL. Okay, you are saying for USD INR. Uh, just a minute. This is where is USD INR? Yeah, this is the USD INR. If you are anybody is using USOL or USD INR, I will set up the setting. Like if you are using Trading View, type EMA, moving average exponential. I have to add 2 times. Okay. First one for high EMA, second one for low EMA. Go to the setting. Here type 200. It should be high. Color should be green or up to you. Okay, right now this is a chart of USD INR. If you are buying here, it is a 75.386 with the 1 point buffer. In the USD INR, 1 point buffer is the only 10 paisa, not 1 rupees. Okay. After the 10 paisa buffer, you can buy or you can sell. That means if you are buying here, the price is going up. You can check that and you can check the selling. You are getting this benefit from this 76.31 and you are getting buy price here. That means 1 rupees benefit. In the 1 rupee, money is double in the USD. Okay, because there is low margin required for trading in the currency. Okay, this is the US oil chart. Sometime US oil and Indian market works difference. Okay, on the US oil you can check out if on the yesterday if we are buying here we are getting this benefit. If we are selling on this candle we are getting this benefit. This is also 70 to 80 points and this is also 70 to 80 points. Okay, yeah, just a minute. Upendra. Okay, just a minute. Anas Pulito, sir, can you say about fixing SL again for buy and for sell? Okay, sir, Heikonesi candle is must or we can use normal candle? As sir, आप पूछ रहे हैं कि हैकन ऐसी ही कैंडल यूज करनी है या नॉर्मल कैंडल भी कर सकते हैं? नॉर्मल कैंडल इस स्ट्रेटजी में नहीं कर सकते, पूरी स्ट्रेटजी की वैल्यू ही चेंज हो जाएगी, आपको इसमें हैकनसी ही करनी होगी. ठीक है. And Anas is asking, can you say about fixing SL? Okay, just a minute. If I have the buy position from here, okay, if any red candle provide closing below the red line, that means market is going up and up and up, but this is the candle, this provide closing below this, I will exit the position, and from this candle I will be on the sell side. Okay, you can watch it is here I will not exit because closing is below the green line here also. Okay, otherwise if I have the position here I can book profit here, if I have the position here I can book profit here, and if you have the position from here to here you can book, it is taking the support of green line, you can buy again and you can book the position. Okay. Any question? More question from anybody? Say no if don't have. All of you. How many of you trade in the Bank Nifty as well? Answer yes. No one of you are trading in Bank Nifty. Only Prakash. Okay, okay, okay. Prakash, I will arrange a session of 15 to 20 minutes for Bank Nifty for you separately. Today I will cover only crude. That means we can cover in the short time. Okay. Sorry, my internet was going on 5 minutes. Can you brief explain this strategy in the Bank Nifty? Upendra, you will get all the things in the recording. You can check out if your connection is disconnected. And if you have an issue, you can call me after that. Okay, not regularly. I left the and came. Upendra, check the video after session. You will get all the things. Okay. Only one candidate we have for Bank Nifty. That means we don't need to cover the Bank Nifty. Do we get the recording for the Bank Nifty too? I will give. If anybody of you want the Bank Nifty session, unique Bank Nifty session recording, I will give. Okay. Previously, I was trading in the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty. Okay. Now we will cover only crude. That means okay. Now we will go to the second strategy. That is the 3 EMA strategy. This was the high-low EMA strategy, and now we will go to the 3 EMA strategy. We have to add moving average again. First moving average should be 5. Period should be 5. Setting should be infilled. There is a by default close, and there should be close in this strategy. Type should be exponential. Color should be green. Then again, we have to add moving average. Period should be 20. Color should be yellow. Third EMA exponential. 34 should be the value. It is should be the there. Save the layout and go to the bigger volume. Okay, I will tell you about the strategy. Maybe in the last 1 or 2 days or 1 week, this strategy is not going good. But in the normal market and of any type of market is best strategy if you want to trade in the intraday. But for 1 week there are very fluctuation in the crude. Maybe the result is differ. Okay, where we have to buy, where we have to sell. I will tell you. There are 3 EMAs. The green color line is the 5 EMA. Yellow color line is the 20 EMA, and red color line is the 34 EMA. Okay, when green, okay, for first one I will tell you how to sell. If green color is EMA is going down, that means if 5 EMA is going down and cross 20 and 34, and after some time 20 also going down from the 34, then we will sell. You can check. The market was going up. On this point green is going down before below yellow and below red. On this point yellow is in between of both, like red is in the upside and green is in the low side. That means this is the particular point for selling. Here I will sell. Okay, that means on 1344 I am selling, and it is making the low of 1225. That is the 125 points. That means when 5 EMA cross 20 EMA and 34 EMA, and it should be in a particular way. 5:20:34. I have to sell. For the buy, if 5 EMA cross the 20 and 34, and all of three should be in the proper manner, 5:20:34, I will buy. On this point, you can check green crossed in the upside both the EMA 20 and 34, but I will not buy on this candle. Why? Because it is not a particular manner. Okay, yellow is in the downside. That means 5:34:20. Where I will buy? Just a minute. Just 2 minute break. I have to take what? Hello. Uh, Now we start. That means we have three EMAs 5:20:34. If we want to buy, then if 5 is going up after the crossing of 20 and 34, we will be in the buy side, but all of three should be in a proper manner. 5:20:34. 34 should be in the below side, and 20 should be in the between, and green should be the up. On this point we will buy. Maybe on this point the price is 1331. Okay, market is taking support of this and again going up. It is the 1405. In this strategy you can book 30 to 40 points multiple times. Okay, how we can use for multiple times, I will tell you how. Okay, here we have a buy signal. How we have buy signal? Green is crossing the red line and yellow as well, and on that point yellow cross the red line. That means yellow is in the middle. That means we can buy here, and you can check that it is taking the support in the low side and it is going up and up and up. Okay, maybe I have booked 20, 30, 40 points anytime. If market is going down, that means green is going down, but it is taking only the support after a complete green candle. This is the green candle. I will take again a buy, because everything is in the favor of going up. That means if I am buying here, it will go up. Again green is going down, but it is taking the support. Yellow is in the upside. That means from here I can again buy. Okay, from here I can again buy. You can check here like that. Okay, uh, if you are in the selling from any time, on this point, you can sell again. Why? Because green is going up, it can go down. Yellow is stable, that means market will go down. You will get this type of movement. Okay, this is the proper example. If I have the buy position here, and on any point if I am booking on this green candle, I can again buy. Yellow is in the upside, green is going again up. On this candle I can buy, and again I can book 30, 40, 50 points. That means in a normal market you can take 3 or 4 trade according to this strategy, and you can book 30 to 40 points 3 or 4 times in a day. Okay, where you can sell, where you can buy. All understand? Ask the question about this strategy. Once you are saying, please explain again. Okay, I will do. Others? Okay, it is a crossover strategy of 3 MA. Ans is asking. That means if there is a reversal, that means all the rays are going in the reverse side. If without the charting, I can explain it. If green is going down, first one green will cross the red, then will cross the yellow. After 5 or 10 minutes or 15 minutes, it will be a particular manner: green in the downside, yellow in the middle, and red in the upside. That means it is a downtrend. We have to sell. If green is going up, yellow is in the middle, and red is in the downside, we will buy. That means for selling, 5 should be in the downside, 20 should be in the middle, 34 should be in the upside. For buying, 34 should be in the down, 5 should be in the up, 20 should be in the middle. And the main thing for buying and selling, 20 should be middle in every condition. Okay. Amit Biswas, admit. Amit, you are very late. You will get the recording and you can find out all the things. About SL2, Ans is asking what is the SL. If market is taking reversal, you can exit the position. Otherwise, you can book the profit according to the pivots. Okay. That means you can add the pivot in any strategy. Like go to the pivots, pivot point, do it Fibonacci. Right now you are getting pivot. Okay. This is the buy signal. Here you are buying. You can book the profit near to this level. Okay. This is the selling point. You can book the next near to next pivot. If you are buying here, you can book here. The difference is 12242 1326. It is 100 point. Okay, you have the buy position. If here, you can book here. If you have the selling position from any of the pivot, if you are here, you can book here or here. According to the pivot, you can pivot use only for the targets. That means you can book the profit from a pivot. It can be reversal. If there is a breakout or breakdown, you can take again the position if there is a sell side or there is a buy side. Just a minute. Mahinder is asking lost 2-minute talk. Mahinder, check in the recording after the session. Mahinder Gonkar, is this Hackanacy? Yeah, in both the strategy, we will use Hackanacy. Sir, how can we set all 4 strategy in a single chart? Like you set it on the trading view. Chandrakant, if you want to set 4 strategy in a chart, you can do it in Zerodha free of cost. If you want to do it in trading view, you have to take paid version of trading view. Okay. आप में से जो 2 हिंदी वाले हैं वो समझ लीजिए कि जब ग्रीन लाइन, रेड लाइन और पीली लाइन को क्रॉस करके ऊपर जा रही है तो हमें बाय करना है. बट क्या होना चाहिए? ग्रीन ऊपर होनी चाहिए, पीली बीच में होनी चाहिए और रेड नीचे होनी चाहिए. ऑन दिस पॉइंट वी विल बाय. जब सेल करना हो तो आप यहाँ पे देखिए कि ग्रीन जो है वो फास्ट मूव करेगी क्योंकि वो 5 का ईएम में है. यहाँ पे ग्रीन ने दोनों को क्रॉस कर दिया है इस कैंडल पे, बट हम सेल नहीं करेंगे. पीली बीच में आ जाएगी तब हम सेल करेंगे. अगर पीली बीच में नहीं आती है और ऊपर जाने लगती है मार्केट, दोबारा से बाई करेंगे. लाइक दिस. यहाँ पे हमारा पहले से बाई था, ये ग्रीन नीचे आया, कोई सेल नहीं बना, वो दोबारा ऊपर जाने लगा तो बाई कर लेंगे. यहाँ पे फिर हम बाई कर लेंगे. ठीक है ना? यानी कि ग्रीन के मूवमेंट के बाद पीली बीच में आ जाए तब हमें सेल या बाई करना है. ग्रीन ऊपर जा रही है, दोनों को क्रॉस करके पीली बीच में आ जाएगी तो बाई कर लेंगे. और इसी तरह से पीली जब नीचे जा रही हो तो बाई कर लेंगे. ठीक है? अगर आपको इस स्ट्रेटजी को थोड़ा इजी करना है तो आप इसमें से 5 को हटा दीजिए. Now, if you want to easy the strategy, you can remove the 5. Now, when yellow cross the red line in the upside, you can buy. If the yellow cross in the downside, you can sell. Okay, now it is easy. But I recommend to use all of three. Because why? Because we can take multiple entry if we are using 3 EMA. That means from here there is a signal green is going down and again it is going up. That means again I can buy. But in yellow I cannot find out that I can buy again or not. Okay, because there is a difference in the movement. If you want to take smooth things, you can use only two rays, 20 EMA, 34 EMA. Just a minute. Chandrakant Bytes, sir, how can we sell yellow red cross? Chandrakant is asking if buy is generated or sell is generated. That means green crosses yellow and red both, and yellow is in the middle, or in the selling side, green is going down and yellow is in the middle. On the high price or the low price, we have to sell after the crossing. That means after the completion of 5 minute candle, whatever the price you are getting, it may be 5 point up, it may be 5 point down, you can execute the position. That means you will buy or you will sell at the same time. What is the price does not matter. It may be 2.3 point differ, but doesn't matter. Okay. And उपेंद्र क्रॉसओवर के बाद एंट्री कैसे लेना है? कैंडल क्लोज या कैंडल क्लोज होने के बाद we will take the position after the completion of the candle. Any price is showing, we will take the entry. Okay, if there is a upside of 10 to 20 points, if there is a downside of 10 to 20 points, we will take the position. Doesn't mean it. And how to set the targets? You have to set the target according to the pivot. That means if you are selling here, that means on near about this pivot, 5 to 10 point difference, you can book the position. If the market is going up and it break this pivot, that means on that level I will again sell. Okay, if there is a buy position, that means if I am buying here, that means near about this pivot, this is the target. Okay. Asser is asking all the strategy we have to use, otherwise we can use one or two strategy. Asser, in the live market you have to draw all the charts. Every person have a different mindset, every person have a different knowledge, different skills. Okay, maybe one is suitable for you, maybe second one is suitable for another. Okay, uh, for first week you can watch all the strategy, from second week you can trade. If you have any question after 1 week, you can ask. I will resolve all the question on Saturday or Sunday. And right now you are getting tips. That means you can watch only, not trade from the Monday. Okay, according to the strategy. Because you will confuse in my tips and strategy. SL and target depends on pivots, sir. Right. No, SL is depend on the reversal. SL is not depend on the pivot. If market is going up, maybe it is near to pivot, there is a buy side, and for 10 to 15 points it has the pivot in the downside or upside, and it reverse back. That means reversal should be in the chart. We can exit the position, not pivot. Is advisable to use both strategies together, or it will create mess? No, on the same time you can use both strategy, but for 1 or 2 week you have to watch. You are getting tips, do trade on tips, but after 1 or 2 weeks you can take trade according to you. Could not understand SL, can you show in the chart? Okay, if you are buying here and from here market is not going up, from here market is going downside, yellow cross in the downside, that means on that level, if there is a reversal, that means yellow is saying that market will go down, you will exit the position and take the sell side. uh, okay, if we talk about the yesterday, what was the selling point? On 1340 was the selling point. If you are selling here, you can book the profit here on 1319. Okay, if you don't book, you can buy here, exit the position from that, then you can take the profit. If you are not getting the profit here, you can change the position here. Okay, that means it's up to you. Maybe if you are selling here, book one lot here, one lot here. After that, if market is getting reversal, exit the one lot, buy again three lot. Risk and reward ratio is yours, not is in the strategy. Money management is differ and trading strategy is differ. Now understand. Thanks, Chandra. Welcome. There are no fixed stop loss. Sir, how can you fix the stop loss in the crude? Actually, sometimes many people ask that how I provide the stop loss. I provide the stop loss of 40 points, 100 points, 80 points, 20 points, 30 points. It's according to the market. After getting the points 20 30, I say that trail the SL. If you are using the strategy, high low EMA strategy, or this one strategy, 3 EMA strategy, you know that what should be the SL. If there is a selling position, that means this is the selling position 1344. I am getting, if market is going on this price, maybe it is a buy mode. That means 1390 I can set up on this time. I can set according to the this in high low EMA strategy. You are getting exact point where should be the stop loss. Okay, that means there is no fixed stop loss. You can fix according to the money management. If you are working in the two lot and you are getting profit in two lots 40 point 50 point, after that you can make SL cost to cost. Otherwise you can trail the SL according to the high low EMA strategy. In high low EMA strategy there is a trailing chart. Every time the value is difference. On the every 5 minute you can trail the SL. Okay, use the high low EMA strategy for SL. And don't trade on the market behalf on the pivot points. Like in India, many tips provider and many persons says that sell and buy according to the pivots in crude. No, you will be in the loss. Crude is nothing. Crude don't have value of pivots. Okay, sometimes it provide closing below and upper and take the reversal. Don't believe on the pivot. You can use only for the target. Okay, is it useful for Bank Nifty also? Yes. Any more question? Okay, actually, all the strategies are like same. Like high low EMA strategy, you can find out what is the trailing SL. In 3 EMA strategy, we have 3 EMA 5, 20, 34. If 5 is going up, 20 is going up, 34 is in the low side and going up, we will buy and we will sell for the vice versa position. Okay, but okay, we will go to the third one strategy. Many of you can think third one strategy is easy for you. Okay, same. We have to use 2 EMA. Value should be 11, but type should be weighted. Again, add the moving average. Type should be weighted. Value should be 89. The person who don't want to use extra mind can trade according to this strategy. Set two moving average. First one is 11, second one is 89. Both should be the weighted moving average. What is the weighted moving average? That means it is run according to the volume volume of the candles. Okay, that means weighted moving average. First one should be 11, second should be 89. If we talk about here, red is the 89 and green is the 11. When green goes in the downside after crossing, sell the crude. If green is going up in the above of red side, you can buy. That means here you can sell and use the 10 minutes charts. If you are using Indian crude, you can use 10-minute charts. If you are using Bank Nifty, you can use 1 minute in this EMA. Okay, from here you can sell, here you can buy, here you can sell, take the benefit according to the pivot, or otherwise you can buy here. Okay, if you follow blindly this EMA 1134 monthly, you will get minimum to maximum 800 to 1000 points. Okay, sometime you will get loss as well, but average base you will get 800 plus point in the month. You, if you are selling here, you will get this benefit. If you are buying here, sometime it is market is going down, but EMA is in the upside, that means market will go up. It is a loss. If you are buying here 2168, you have to exit on the 2133, that means on a reversal you are getting 30-point loss. Okay, in every strategy you should calculate that if I am getting a reversal, what will be the stop loss and what would be the loss. According to that, you can do money management. You have to manage proper money in your account, and you can use for make money. If you are buying here on this price, that means if there is any reversal, it can provide maximum 30-35 point loss. But if you are getting profit, you can use 30, 35, 40, 100 points. Okay, that means 11 weighted moving average and 89 weighted moving average you can use, and you will trade according to this after crossover. Very simple strategy. In this strategy, any question? Time frame all 5 minutes. Third one is for 10 minutes. 11 weighted moving average strategy. You can use only 10 minutes in crude. Actually, why we are using 5 minute and 10 minute? It's depend on the experience that I have. I have created that on this we have to use 5, and for this we have to use 10. It's developed by only the experience. Okay, time frame only 5 minutes. In Bank Nifty time frame 5 minutes for Bank Nifty for the third strategy. Okay, सर 23 तारीख को ऑलरेडी क्रॉस ओवर करके ऊपर गया था, वहां कैसे ट्रेंड करें ऑन द 23? ओके, जस्ट ए मिनट, कहाँ गया था? अगर आपका यहाँ पे ओपन हुआ है तो यहाँ पे आप बाई कर लीजिए, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। नीचे जाएगा रिवर्सल, आप सेल कर दीजिए। यहाँ से आप बाई करेंगे 20-30-50 पॉइंट लेके निकल जाइए, उसमें क्या दिक्कत है? टारगेट फॉर 1189 स्ट्रेटजी क्रॉस ऑलरेडी हुआ था। चंद्रकांत इज आस्किंग सर 23 तारीख को ऑलरेडी क्रॉस करके ऊपर गया था, वहां कैसे ट्रेड करें? मतलब क्रॉस होने के बाद अपर कभी भी मिलने पाए तो अगर मार्केट गैप अप या गैप डाउन ओपन होती है, क्रॉस ओवर उसी कैंडल पे हो चुका है, तो आप ट्रेड ले सकते हो, उसमें क्या दिक्कत है? एंट्री पॉइंट कैंडल क्लोज और हायर पॉइंट, नो, कैंडल क्लोज हो जाए और हमारा सिग्नल जनरेट हो गया है तो उसके बाद किसी भी प्राइस पे मिले ले लीजिए, कोई बफर की जरूरत नहीं है। सिर्फ बफर की जो स्ट्रेटेजी है वो फर्स्ट वन हाई लो ईएमए में काम करती है। If we talk about the buffer, it will work only the first strategy, that is high low EMA strategy. For the other strategy, whatever the price you are getting, buy or sell. वहां सर्किट था सर पूरा ऊपर तक। Chandrakant, you are asking a question about a particular day. Market is not a particular day. Market will happen lifetime, okay, after hour and your life as well. So don't think about one day. If there is a upper circuit, there is a lower circuit. After that, you can trade. How can you trade in the lower circuit or upper circuit? You know that. Bank Nifty 1 minute. No, sir, you cannot use this strategy for 1 minute 1189, because whole the day you will buy and sell and you will get the loss. Can you show how this was applied in a previous date, like 4-5 months ago, just to get more clearly? Last 4-5 days volatile. Okay. You are saying that but there is a issue. We have the expiry of crude every month. That means we will not find the correct data of last month. That means we can use only the data after the 21. This month crude is starting from 21. Before 21 we cannot find the data of crude. This is not the exact data because there are no buyer or seller in the next month expiry. Okay, you can check here. Just a minute. US oil. Just a minute. I will clear your question. In the trading view, you can type WMA. There is already a setting of weighted moving average. Okay. You are talking about February, March.
Ever a second.
On which month you want to check the data? Just a minute. Month, nothing specific. Okay. Okay, this is the way you will trade. Like if you are selling here, you will find this moment. It is near about 59 to 57.77. That means it is more than 3%. Okay, if you buy here, that means the price of buying may be 58.33 and it is 58.77. You will easily will get 20 to 30 points, and you can add an indicator like pivot. Go to the Fibonacci. Okay, just a minute. Now I am getting the pivots. If you are buying here, you can book the profit here. If you are selling here on this pivot, you can book, or on the downside, it is the selling here. If you are buying here, there is a data difference in US oil and crude. on this point maybe buy in India or not. Okay, on this, if you are selling this pivot point, you can book, or this pivot point you can book. If you are buying here, you can book. If you are selling here, every time you will get 20, 30, 40 points. Okay, doesn't matter. And for 1 week or 2 week, you can watch out. After that, if you have any issue about the strategy, I will check out. Okay. Any issue? Any question? Chandrakant is asking, sir, can you just show your setup of trading view or Jirada just for understanding? I will provide wait. Okay. The question is that what is the crossing? It is the visible by eyes on this candle. It is the crossover time. On the next candle, crossover is happened. On this candle, I will buy, or on this candle, I can buy. On both of candle, I can buy. That means if we talk about the last, on this candle, crossover is happened. After this, I will buy. I will sell. Okay. It is visible by eyes, not very difficult. Okay. Okay, now we will go to the fourth strategy. For that, I have to open Notepad. Just a minute. All of you are able to watch Notepad?
Yes.
Type yes or no in the